Okay, now find the equation of the circle for B. You don't have to put it in Cartesian form, just put it in general form can already. So for the first one, the center 2, -5, radius 4. This means that it is x minus 2 square plus y plus 5 square equal 4 square, 16. That's all. Okay, that's all. Alright. For B and C, you need to know what is the radius. Okay, so let's just draw a rough sketch. -8, -7. -8 is at the negative axis. So -8, -7, it will be here. And the circle touch the y-axis. So this is -8, -7. The circle touch the y-axis. What is the radius of the circle? Sorry, I draw wrongly. It touched the y-axis, not touch the x-axis. It's A. Because here is -A, right? So then you know already. So that's why sometimes it's important to draw a little bit. So it's x plus 8 square plus y minus 7 square equals to 64. Okay? So the opposite is true, lor. That means if I touch the x-axis, -5, 6, I touch the x-axis. Okay, -5, 6. This means that my radius follows the y coordinate. So can you tell me what is the equation of circle? X then plus y square equals to 36. Okay? So all these are how you use the information to get the equation of circle. The very hard one. There is this, and this one you must know. This one. Pass through A1. It's not center A1, you know, it's pass through A1 and it touch both axes. It's very unique. It could be here, it could be somewhere. There's many possibilities. There's another possibility that's here, there's another possibility that's here, there's another possibility that's here. Okay? So if my center is here, right? And then it passes through 8,1. 8,1 maybe is here. Okay, so I need to know what's the center. Now, if I can touch both axes, right, what does it mean? It means my distance from here to here and my distance from here to here is the same. That means my center, the x coordinate and the y coordinate are the same. Which means I can label this as A, A. Okay? And which means that this guy is A, this guy is A. Looking at this, what is the radius of this circle? I'm not looking for a value. I'm looking for, like, you know, from here to here is A, right? So what's the radius? A. Okay? So now first I put in. Oh, so I know the center is A equals to A squared. I got 3 unknown. Cannot solve. That's why they give you A1. If I pass through A1, means I can sub the 8 and 1 as my x and y. So this means that 8 minus A squared plus 1 minus A squared is equals to A squared. Okay, open everything up, solve the quadratic equation. Okay, so sometimes you must draw a little bit to see. If you don't draw, you cannot see. Okay, so you get 64 minus 16a plus a squared plus 1 minus 2a plus a squared equals to a squared. It is got no more. A squared minus 18a plus 65 equals to 0. A minus 13 and 5, I think. Okay, so a equals to 13 or a equals to. So which means I can have x minus 13 squared plus y minus 13 squared equals to 169, or x minus 5 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals to 25. That means there's 2 possibilities. One is a big one and one is a really ultra big one like that. Ultra big one. Okay.